This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide Instagram likes from a post. So as you can see, I added this video and here we can see likes to this post. And now I want to hide all likes from this post. So no one will be able to see this post likes or likes count. To do that, I'm going to tapping on this three dot. And here, just tap on hide likes. And now on, no one will be able to see likes or likes count for this post. And if you want to again show likes for the post, again tap on this three dot and tap on unhide likes. And then all likes will be again add. So this is how we can hide Instagram likes for a post. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.